Hello, good day. Welcome back. Today's video, I want to show you the difference between start button and speed button. So Blender, this one that is down is speed button. The up one is start button. Look at it, start button. So the difference there. So make you know the understand, say Blender know the work. Sometimes start button they get issue. You say Blender no work. So if your start button no dey work, then the Blender go off completely, even though with your speed 1, speed 2. This start button dey very important. And they control the Blender. You understand, ba? So about say I put am for speed, I have to go and press that start button for the Blender on. So this time where you see, so Blender come in different types. So make you no reason and say now all of them get this kind of start button, but they get different types of Blender. And wetin go make this Blender dey work, dey function well is through the cup. So as I show you this video right now, this cup now go make the start button dey operate. See this cup now, see that red sign wey come outside, na im dey press the start button for the cup. You understand? See the arrow, na dey press the start button. So that anytime we wan do fix Blender, wan tie the Blender for up. So as im dey like that, ba. So after you don lock am for the Blender, then we just come press the speed under. You see, it's working perfectly, very perfect. So now the journey of this Blender be that. So with all this now, the cup have to be very okay. Make you no break the cup, nothing to happen to the cup. Sometimes if your cup get issue, Blender no go start. Make you no think say na the Blender get issue. If your cup get issue too, Blender no go start. And the other things wey dey involve be say the Blender to no start, that start button dey important because na im dey control the current flow wey go flow inside the Blender. Because the speed button no fit control the current, so na the start button dey control the current wey dey enter inside the Blender. So na im make they put am there as that start button, which is very important. So I believe this video dey educative. If you like this video, please comment and share. Thank you so much.